Hello, I'm Sheshadri Naik from COEPian's Academy. I'm extremely happy to announce this year's MHT-CET results. This year, 75 students from our academy had appeared for MHT-CET. Out of those, 26, I repeat, 26 students got more than 90 percentile score in this particular exam, which is an astonishing result. The reason behind this is obviously a lot of efforts being taken by the student, their parents, and obviously the teachers who are supporting them. One of the reasons behind this is that we take limited number of students, which facilitates personalized coaching at our academy. Another reason is that we take weekly exams. Different types of exams are conducted, subjective, objective, board pattern, CET pattern, and so on. So this really helps. As the exam nears, we increase that particular frequency even to daily. And not only that, after the exam, the analysis is done so that the students are able to focus on their weak areas. If you are interested, please check out our website so that you can get more details. Thank you.